So we sometimes go in not knowing. I mean, it's going to take a couple of minutes and we'll come back out. But I mean, with a matter of minutes, the temperature goes off. And the sheriff's trying to make the community aware of be careful, your children, your pets. So be careful.
Especially your pets also, you know, because you leave them in there, you think, and if the car turns off and your kids are inside, you know, that's going to cause a big problem, and it can affect you this way. You have to remember that here in Texas, there have been 3 deaths already related to what we're talking about. And in the United States, have been 16, and 3 of those have been in Texas. So it does, and that's only in 6 months. You know, can you imagine? You know, to the end of the year, you know, it's going to happen, and we just want to avoid it. You know, we want people to be aware that, you know, it is dangerous. You know, just because your car's on and your kids in there, you know, your car may turn off. I know that there's a new function in new cars, late model cars, where within 20 minutes, if you don't go back, the car will turn off by itself. Yeah, that's a function that some of the cars have. I know my Tahoe has that, and it turns off. So you have to be very